Welcome to my channel, Tools for Ascension by Wolfgang, and I'm Wolfgang, and today I will be talking about humming and ohming. Really important to understand this. It can really give you a great advantage to understand the principles. So, ohm, just ohming is used for purification. And let's I give an example. So put your hand, onto your heart here, and inhale, and then just do You probably feel a vibration here, in your hand. So that's what we are, seeing. Let's see if we can increase this vibration. So I will, let's say, or you do as me do. So I will open my mouth, and then I will move my jaw up and down and see if the resonance shift. So let's go ahead. Around here, I'm getting the strongest vibration here. You can just, go up and down, and you feel it actually sweeping a little bit up and down. Yeah, so this kind of vibrates, like a bad subwoofer. A good subwoofer is not supposed to vibrate. Right? So very important principle. So this vibration is purifying. Just like you in in the tape time, when we had tapes, cassette tapes or videotapes, you had an eraser, and with an electromagnetic frequency, just creating a sinus wave, realigning everything. So this ohm, this sinus frequency, is kind of aligning, or purifying, everything in this body by just shaking it. It's like shaking on a carpet, how the dust suddenly comes loose. Now, let's see, how this works over here. Let's lay this ohm onto your throat chakra. Yeah, that's the position, where I get the most ohm here. So, fill yourself with source love. Feels pretty good. You do this for 5 minutes. You may be able to knock out a cold, but your voice will become smooth, do anything like singing. So this is again a purification. So let's see, your skull, is also a resonator. So let's see, how the ohm, vibrates your skull. So you just put your hand on top of it. Yeah, there I hit it. So you play around, with generally to lay the ohm up here. And the Tibetans, they like to lay, the Tibetan monks, they like to put the ohm up here, to vibrate your crown chakra. Alright, so, this is the principle, that you try to lay the vibration in your body, adjusting it, with your mouth, so there is a resonance vibration in particular organs. There, you start resonating. You can even resonate, your root chakra if you want, but I mean, it's better, here in the upper body, it's easier. That same principle, of resonating your bones and your body, is also with these weighted, tuning forks. I'm not selling them, and the way they work, this little thing, will go up and down when you put it on something. Doctors use it to find out if you have a hairline fracture. Hairline fractures in bones cannot be detected by x-rays, but you do that, and if there is a hairline fracture, it hurts like hell. So, but who? So you basically knock this thing, and then let's put it on your crown chakra, and you have the frequency of 128 there. And yeah, so it takes about 5 seconds, and then it kicks in. These are more on the astral plane. Let's do one, let's say, on the third eye. So these weighted tuning forks, they're not made for sound. They're made to work, on bones, to resonate bones. And, I once had a messed up knee, and, it took me 1 or 2 treatments around the knee. Yeah, on the bone. Oh, that is good. I'm going to put some on the mic. I'm not sure how this transfers, but let's see. So you get an idea. So this is transfers to the bone. It's very similar to the Ohm. Very similar. But I can do Ohming while I'm walking somewhere. I can't do this in the street. Then there's, I have another one, which is like the half of 128, 64. And creates a slightly different aspect. But you would basically go around, along your skull, especially where the acupressure points are, gateway of heaven, also behind your ears, here acupressure points, here, I mean, but the big singer here, that's a 32 hertz, Otto. So that's about the lowest you can get in tuning forks. And oh my god, yeah, this is like a powerful subwoofer. And, but I mean, this is maybe 2 times more powerful than ohming. Maybe 3 times. It's difficult to quantify this, I mean, so this is the same principle, you vibrate, your body, which purifies things. Very, very simple. That's also one of the reasons why I have a subwoofer under my bed. So I hope, these kind of little tips, they help you. If you like them, just comment me, give me a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe. And, if you have sincere questions, I like to answer them. Like always, I love you a long time, and I do private session on Zoom 1-to-1.